Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite oils called Deep Blue. One of the reasons I love Deep Blue is because it's blue like the ocean. And when I think about that, I think about calming. And that's what I feel that Deep Blue does. It really calms the aches and pains that we have in our body. And I don't just mean the aches and pains because you're in pain. I mean, even when you're working out. If you go to work out and you want to get a better workout and you don't want to have the pain that goes along with it when you come back, that's one of the first things that you want to do. Pull your Deep Blue out, rub it on your joints. Whether you rub it before or after your workout, it's up to you. They both work either way, but you're going to feel so relaxed. Your muscles will relax when you begin to run, and if you decide to do it afterwards, you'll be calming down your achy muscles after you run, that soreness that you don't like to feel after you do a workout. We also love the fact that Deep Blue is really instrumental in helping with physical therapy. That's why physical therapists use our Deep Blue for the treatment of their patients. And it could be acute or chronic discomfort. This Deep Blue really does assist the body in helping bring about peace in the joints, the muscles, the tendons, the lower back, the upper back, the fingers. If you have any kind of pain in your fingers or any place, this is definitely your go-to oil because it soothes and calms the body. One of the things that I really love about Deep Blue is the way that, for instance, if you've done too much through the day and you just want to get a good night's sleep, but you lay down and you can feel your muscles talking to you. Have you ever gotten to bed and your lower back is like, what are you doing to me? Deep Blue is your oil to go to. Just massaging it on the back, lower back, or even up the spine. Really, really great relaxing oil. Even if you're just having a day where you may have a little bit of a head tension, you can relieve the pain right from your head just by putting on a little bit of Deep Blue. So the next time your body is talking to you a little bit louder, those aches and pains, those pings, go get your Deep Blue and give yourself a good rub down. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the benefits of Deep Blue. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, where we'll have more information for you to enjoy.